Hi everybody, Patrick with Jack Kane Ford here and for sales with another new car. This is a 2019 Ford Escape SE. And you'll see that the SE has come a long way in what it has standard in its features and what you'll expect to have when you get in one. So here we go. This one's an ingot silver in color, front wheel drive, and we'll take a look here. Here are your standard features. This includes Ford Pass Connect and Sync 3. Those are standard. That's Android Auto and Apple CarPlay enabled, and that remote access to your remote start and locks and unlock. Safe and Smart package you see here includes lane keeping, adaptive cruise, and blind spot monitoring. So what you have is a really nice and well featured out Escape. This is a 1.5 liter EcoBoost engine, so very fuel efficient overall. And take a look here inside. Black with the gray inserts on the seating surfaces. There's air vents in the back for those riders in the back seat. Electronic parking brake. There's your Sync 3 system. And again, very nice car and a great price point for it out there. So if you are interested in checking it out, give us a call or come on by. 859-873-6666. We'd love to see you out here.